As you can see, the weather at the moment here in England is very cold. We have had lots of snow, long periods of low temperatures, and needless to say, it is absolutely freezing cold. Now, there is an interesting word. The word freeze can be used in many ways. When we think of the word freeze, we often think of something that has been chilled to the point where it becomes solid. Water will freeze if the temperature drops to a certain degree. The water will become solid. It freezes. The feeling of being cold might also be described as freezing. A person who is standing outside on a cold day such as this might describe the feeling they are experiencing as freezing. I'm absolutely freezing cold. I really must go back into the house. I'm freezing. We often associate the word freeze with cold temperatures. However, we can also use the word freeze when we want to express the action of holding something in place. Something that displays no sign of movement might be described as being frozen. To freeze something is to hold it in one position. A person who is trying not to be seen might freeze. They hold their position. They stay completely still. The action of holding something in a stable position can be described as freezing. The government might decide to freeze the level of interest that a person will have to pay on money that they have borrowed. To hold a person's financial support from them is freeze. You might have your assets frozen if the money you have saved has been obtained illegally. It is possible to freeze anything, to hold something in place. The word freeze is a verb. The past tense of freeze is froze. The past participle of freeze is frozen. Freeze can also be a noun. The state of being immobile. A place where something is kept so as to keep it cold is a freezer. If you want to keep something very cold, then we will put it in a deep freeze. Right now, I am starting to freeze. I can feel my body starting to become stiff and frozen. This cold weather will eventually chill me to the bone. So now I will go back into the house to warm myself up. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you again very soon for another one. Stay warm, stay happy, and ta-ta for now.